Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off voice assistant on any Samsung phone. Now, if you want to turn off Gemini or Google Assistant on your Samsung phone, first of all, just open settings, then tap on Google. From here, tap on all services, and on this page, just tap on search assistant and voice. Then tap on Google Assistant, then tap on voice match. Now to turn off the Google Assistant, just disable this toggle. And once you disable this toggle, you will turn off Gemini or the Google Assistant on your Samsung phone. But if you want to disable Bixby, then open settings, and from here, just tap on advanced features. Then tap on Bixby. From here, just go to voice registration. Now under voice wake up, just select off. And once you do that, you will turn off Bixby on your Samsung phone. And this is how you can turn off voice assistant on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.